In this video, I am going to provide you the supply and demand trading strategy, which is quite ignored by the traders on TradingView, and you can simply get the benefit from it because this demand and supply strategy basically that is going to beat the other strategies. And if you are aggressive traders and you want to do a lot of trading, then this indicator that I am going to show today in this video, it is going to help you a lot. And the second thing, you can use this indicator in forex, crypto and the stock market, no matter what is your time frame. Even you can start from 1 minute to 1 day time frame as well. So before I start this video, let me introduce myself. I am a price action coach. I have a 1-hour coaching program. You can book your 1-hour coaching session with me. The link of the Telegram channel is given in the description of this video below. You can check my success stories of my students who have taken the sessions and now they are doing profitable trading. Everything is shared in the Telegram group. And moreover, subscribers, if you are willing to join the best broker that I personally use and that offers you variety of trading accounts, like you can see on the screen, and this is one of the regulated broker that offers you very tight spreads as well, and very good, and provides you a very good conditions on the trading market. So you can join that broker. The link is given in the description of this video below. Okay, so guys, regarding the indicator that we are going to use for the supply and demand, and you can also consider that indicator as a price action indicator, but I like this thing that it is giving you a lot of opportunities. That's why I thought to make a video so that I can help my subscribers in a better way. So the name of the indicator is zones detector. Okay, and you can see not used by heavy numbers. This is just new, and the name of the author is Scalping. Okay, Scalping, 374 traders are using it. So if I click the zone detector indicator, and you will see that how beautiful this indicator is, and it is also giving you a buy and sell signals as well. And also you can see that it is providing you with the valid order blocks. These are called the supply and demand areas that you can play with. Okay, so right now if you see on the screen that there was a rejection, it has provided you with a sell signal. You need to focus on these buy and sell signals only from the order blocks and these supply and demand areas, not else. Okay, not else. I again repeat that if you are just going to put a buy and sell position without any confirmation, this will be not right. This will be very bad for you. Okay, so use anything that is good. Okay, so for example, right now you can see that this is the bearish order block. This is the supply area. You can see a rejection. Now you can expect that the price can go further down, and it is also telling you a volume change as well, like volume is going into the downward side, so you can take a chance, right? Okay, here you can see that into the green zone you have received a upward momentum, and it has shown you that volume change 132%. That's quite heavy. Okay, so let's analyze more. So for example, on a US JPY, it is already pumped up from that level, right? Okay, NZD USD. So for example, look, the market has already reached to a particular level where it has a green signals. So guys, you should be take in your mind for the buying positions, not for the selling zones. Okay, so what's next? Okay, so you can do a very good profit very easily with this indicator. Okay, this indicator is quite powerful. You can use any time frame, anything. Like you can see here, that was the volume change that the price simply went into the downward side. Okay, let me show you more examples. Okay, now you can see when the two volumes are very close to each other, when the demand and supply are very close to each other, so better you are going to go for the latest side. Like for example, the price is coming down, so we have an order block here as well, so you can consider the green volume here. Okay, otherwise you have the next option that you can wait for the few minutes, and few later on after half an hour you can check that where the price stands. If it's breaking that level, so you can take your decisions accordingly. Overall, I found this indicator to be very powerful, and it's working on stocks, anything like this. You can see even on S&P 500, the sell signal, that's valid. Okay, the buy signal was valid. The market rejected from the red area. So guys, this is one of the easiest indicator that I can definitely share with my subscribers. So that's why I thought to make a video. Okay, and if you go to the settings, it has a different settings, but I will not recommend you to change any. So let them on their original settings, because this is how this indicator is working nicely. Even it is working on the 5 minute as well. I have checked that one. Okay, so for example, look at this one. The volume change, you can see the green order block, you can see the price moved up. Okay, at me next, like other pairs like, okay, Great Britain pound and ZD, you can see the price moved up from the green level. So that's very good, because look at it, look how decent it is. Okay, the price is going up. Okay, so what else you need, guys? Okay, look at the green area. So guys, you can at least go for the buying chance. And if you have other knowledge like trading with the trend and anything like this, so you can simply make a huge profit using this indicator strategy. But again, I will repeat, always try any strategy on the demo account and then apply it on your live account. So guys, what do you think about this trading strategy? You can comment into the comment section. Moreover, please subscribe the YouTube channel, like the videos, share the videos, and thank you very much for watching this video.